Bed. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Conway County in central Arkansas, Garland County in central Arkansas, Perry County in central Arkansas, northwestern Pulaski County in central Arkansas, northwestern Saline County in central Arkansas until 7:15 p.m. At 6:24 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 4 miles southwest of Jesseville, or 11 miles northeast of Lake Washita, and moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Perryville, Lake Maumelle, Hot Springs Village, Hot Springs, Piney, Williams Junction, Perry, Mountain Pine, Long Mountain, Little Italy, Clean Landing Recreation Area, Lake Winona, Lake Sylvia, Lake Washita State Park, Lake Coronado, Lake Balboa, Jesseville, Hot Springs National Park,